Good day and welcome to Bite Size. As leaders, we're not always performing at our ultimate best. And for that reason, you and I need to read the seasons of our lives. Maybe you're newlywed as a leader. Maybe you just started being a parent. Maybe you're just going through a tough time personally in your life. Read the seasons in your life. Understand where you are. And sometimes being a leader is going through struggles, going through hardship, and just working up the hill. But remember, after every hill, there's a downhill. So this season that you may be going through, that's feeling like a desert, feeling like a winter, it will pass. But read the seasons in your life. In the difficult times, say less, listen more. Keep your head down, stay focused, and keep on keeping on. May you be the best leader you can be. Cheers.